I know y'all are like, what is she about to make with some pork sausage, cream cheese, and croissants? Keep watching this video and you'll see exactly what I'm making. So I've been making this recipe for about 10 years now. I do make it occasionally throughout the year. It's a very delicious, very simple, very cheap, and very quick breakfast to make. All you need is a roll of pork sausage, 1 pack of cream cheese, and 1 pack of 8-count croissants, or you can use biscuits for this as well. So first, of course, you want to start by browning your pork sausage in your skillet on a medium heat. If you are not a fan of pork, or if you just don't eat pork, you can definitely substitute pork sausage for turkey sausage, or if you can find some type of vegan or vegetarian sausage, definitely opt in for that as well. I'm pretty sure that would be delicious in this as well. Once you've got your sausage browned to your liking, you will go ahead and take 1 block of that cream cheese and you will just cut that into smaller pieces so that it can melt faster. And you just want to melt the cream cheese with the sausage. This takes about 5 minutes or so. I do like to let the cream cheese kind of cook together with the sausage so that it can pick up some of those flavors from the sausage, and it just makes the dish taste even better. At this point in the meal, it's extremely hard not to taste this mixture. I know it looks good, it smells delicious, it is delicious. Go ahead and taste it if you just absolutely have to. But we have one more step to do, guys, so go ahead and get that oven preheated at 350 degrees. You can go ahead and take you a cookie sheet or some type of pan and line it with some aluminum foil. And then I always like to go in with some Pam just to make sure that your croissants do not stick to the bottom. This is the worst part of making this meal. I really hate opening biscuits and croissants. I'd be so scared. Like, I'm struggling with this because I don't want to open this. But I went ahead and sucked it up and opened it as far away from my face as I could. So once you get that open, you can go ahead and unroll the first 4 croissants, which you will place in the bottom of your pan. As you can see, I'm having a bit of a hard time here, and that's just because I took the croissants out of the fridge prior to me starting to cook this dish. So the croissants are really kind of warm now, and when they're warm, they get kind of soggy. So if you don't want to deal with that, just leave your croissants in the fridge until you're ready to use them. Once you have those bottom 4 on the bottom of your pan, you will go ahead and just take your cream cheese and sausage mixture, place it on top of the croissants, and you just want to level it out, make sure it's even. Now, this is the part where you can choose to be a bit more creative than I was. You can actually add some scrambled eggs to the top of this, which is something that I do occasionally when I want the meal to be a little more hearty. You can also add in your choice of vegetables such as onions, bell pepper, mushroom. Something of that nature would also be delicious in this, so feel free to add in or take away whatever you would like and make this dish your own. Once you have all of your goodies layered flat on top of that croissant, you will go ahead and just unroll your last 4 croissants on the top of that mixture. And as you may have guessed, you'll go ahead and place this into your oven and you'll bake it for about 12 minutes or until the croissants are a golden brown color. Now I am just going to take a stick of butter and just butter the top of these croissants so that they can be buttery and soft and flaky and delicious. So there you have it, guys, a 3-ingredient breakfast. You can go ahead and get this sliced up and serve it to your family immediately. If you enjoyed watching this video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys, go ahead and let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this meal. Also, go ahead and like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and lastly, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I post a video such as this. Thank you so much for staying tuned till the end. And until next time, have a wonderfully blessed day.